Good morning. I'm going to teach a game today about perspective taking. This game is called Picture Switch, and it's all about our imaginations, storytelling, and a little bit of drawing. I don't require anything except just a pencil and a piece of paper. It could even be a Post-it note. Anything you have, scratch paper, it doesn't matter. You're gonna each, you and whoever you're working with, or if it's a few kids, siblings, different ages, again, work well with this game, are gonna draw a picture. It could even be a scribble, anything. This game is very much adaptable for all abilities. And you're gonna draw a little picture, a minute tops to draw this picture. It's not really about the picture, it's just draw something that pops in your mind. Then you're gonna each switch around your drawing. That's where the picture switch comes in. And you're gonna take another person's drawing, even if it's just two people, and you're gonna tell a story using the other person's drawing. You get to interpret what the other person drew and use your imagination when telling this story. The other person who's listening to you using their picture has to have some impulse control because they're valuing and they're understanding you have a different point of view looking at this picture. Today's kind of all about point of view. And they can't say like, oh, I didn't draw a dragon, I didn't draw a cloud. Why are you saying there's a cloud in my drawing? They just have to go with the flow, which is important right now and every day, and listen to that drawing. Then they get to take your drawing or whoever else's drawing and tell a whole story using that perspective and telling, again, the other person can't interrupt and be like, I didn't draw a dragon. They have to just take your drawing in their perspective, tell a story. And then you can switch the drawings back to the original person who drew them and they can interpret what they actually drew. And it's all about storytelling and being engaged, and a way we can play this for all abilities is instead of switching a drawing, you could add pictures together and make one big picture story. So then it's more about the different drawings that the child drew and you interpret what they drew and they can listen. So if they are nonverbal, they can really be listening and engaging and hearing the story of your interpretation, and then engage them to help draw and create a bigger story with one big piece of paper. Thank you so much. This is Picture Switch and it's about point of view, and thank you and have a really good day. Bye.